Today on this cold morning I'm going to do a repair job on the slave cylinder, which is all the way in there somewhere. Honda dealers say you have to remove the engine, but we're not going to do that today. To do the clutch slave cylinder on a Honda Pan-European ST1300 you will need stuff to catch oil and brake fluid, some clean brake fluid, an empty bottle or some used brake fluid, a piece of pipe, I'll get one of these from Oxford, some spray, WD-40 or equivalent, some of your favourite motorcycle oil. You need a new oil filter, possibly a mallet if you smoke or vape, plenty of them, carb cleaner. You need if you want to change the oil whilst you're doing it, you'll need a 17mm socket and a ratchet, something to remove the oil filter with, a small 3/4 size ratchet with a 8mm socket, another ratchet with an extension. I've got two extensions. You'll need a 5mm Allen key and a 10mm socket, a large screwdriver for prying, a 10mm spanner, a 12mm spanner, and this, which is a flexi joint ratchet 12mm. Magnetic tray to hold all the bolts, funnel, and something to lie on. Plenty of rags. And a Pan-European. Just here, below the radiator bottle, that's where your bleed nipple is for the clutch. The oil filter to get slightly more access to the slave cylinder, because the slave cylinder's tucked up behind there. And this supposedly had a service, that oil filter's manky. So we'll retry again. I'm going to drop the oil because I've just been to Halfords to pick up a few bits. So I've bought some more oil, so I'm going to drop that first. That's 14 I think. Should be wearing gloves. But I like my cheese butties with 1040s. From the looks of it, it actually was serviced before I bought it. I don't trust him. Now I've finally got the oil filter out, which was slightly dented prior to taking it out, so I won't done much filtration. You've then got to take off a bit the actual gear selecting linkage, which is on this side of the bike somewhere around here. Yeah, around there, this bit here. Take that out, slide it off. I'm going to take that nut all the way out, slide it off, and then just let it dangle free, and that should give you a bit more clearance in which to have a look. Apparently it's a 10mm, which is not in my box. Extra long extension. And it's not 10mm because it don't fit. It needs it to be 12mm. Don't believe everything you read on the internet. 12mm. There's only 3 sizes you need apparently for this vehicle: a 10mm, an 8mm, and a 12mm. And a 12mm doesn't fit either. That's strange, unless it's rounded. You watch, it'll be rounded. Fuck's sake. It doesn't fit. It was a 10mm, it was just rusty. Right, so I've managed to get the gear selector off. There's the oil filter, and that there is a clutch slave cylinder. That's held on by 3 8mm bolts. There's a gasket underneath there, and that is what's failed. So let's try and take that off now. And now, once you've got all the old gasket off that, and you've cleaned this bit, which is the slave unit itself, redone the seal, brand new seals, pistons and a gasket, you can then start to refit the replaced unit. Now, because the bit in the middle is going to be constantly under some form of pressure or stress, I'm going to use some CV lift molly grease just as a mating contact between the two, so it doesn't stress the joints too much. It's amazing stuff, love it. Now replace the 3 copper washers between the bleed valve and the top. Replace the gasket, and now I've tightened up in a sequence 1, 2 and the third one at the back. Both are now nice and snug and tight. The slave cylinder has been cleaned inside and out. I'm about to reattach the gear linkage to its corresponding spline just down here. Tighten that up, reattach the oil filter, and then fill up the oil. And that is how you do a master cylinder. Right, these master cylinders, you need to use, I think it's a number 2 posi drive screwdriver. It's one that fits in snug and doesn't allow any movement, so that when you do turn it, it doesn't strip. Because trust me, these strip. I know a few people that use what's known as an impact driver. Take them out. It's the one that's kind of like that, but you smack it with a hammer on the top. It comes out. You see by the previous owner on there. Can see on that one it is slightly stripped, but it's no major. We'll just order some new ones. They're pence to replace. I'm going to see about getting some Allen fitting ones. I bought this section of pipe, and it's got a one-way valve in it. There's loads on the market. This one's the Oxford one. There's a bleed nipple right there that it's going to go on to. It just helps bleed in the brakes and clutches. Doing it one man. You put that on there like so. This pipe that goes all the way down. An old bottle to catch the excess. And then I've got a brand spanking new unopened bottle. It's going to go in there. Got to be careful with brake fluid that it doesn't get on the paintwork and plastic. People go over the top and put plastic bags and all sorts on their vehicle. And I'm an old school mechanic. Was thought as long as you wiped it off fairly quickly and washed it off, you don't really have to worry too much. Always replace the cap because it takes on water. So loosened that valve off. Now all I'm doing is I'm pumping the clutch. All the air's going to even come out the top. Eventually you'll start getting liquid coming out of there. There's a one-way valve. The liquid is hydroscopic, so it takes in moisture, and then we'll start to feel a little bit of resistance then. And getting a little bit of liquid into there. After roughly the second or third fill, you'll start getting quite a lot of pressure. So what I tend to do is 3 pumps, loosen off, holding the actual clutch lever in, loosen it off, and you'll feel the lever go slack. You then give it 3 more pumps, holding on the third, loosen the bleed nipple off, and it just gets the last bits of air in. On these, you want to fill it up to roughly the line in the middle, and that's its high mark. So once you've got it roughly there, you can then replace everything, making sure everything's nice, clean and tidy, and then it's pretty much done.